Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you the only two methods, the only two ways you can take your prospect from where they're at right now to exactly where they wanna go. There's only two levers that you can pull, and you gotta know which lever to pull more, right? So let me explain really quick. When you're on a call with the prospect, they have a pain, right? They have a problem. Another word for pain is problem. So they have a problem that they're trying to get over, right? But on top of that, they also have a vision that they're working towards. And so what happens in a given conversation, and I hear this all the time from closers, they're like, well, hey man, I was on the call and honestly the prospect didn't have that much pain, right? Their current situation is not that bad, which, by the way, that is false, right? If somebody's current situation is not that bad, all that means is that you didn't ask enough questions, right? You didn't go a layer deeper. Hey man, tell me about why you're on the call today.
Well, I just want to lose some weight.
Okay, that's one layer deep. Well, hey man, when you say you want to lose some weight, like ideally, how much weight would you like to lose?
Well, I'd like to lose 10 pounds.
So somebody that wants to lose 10 pounds is not in that much pain as opposed to somebody that wants to lose 50 pounds, right? That's what a typical closer would think. But let's just say those 10 pounds in that person's mind is keeping them up at night.
Man, I used to be so dialed in, like as a teenager. I used to have my health so in order. I used to have like abs showing, and I used to have like, this rock hard skin, and my skin was tight. And now it's like a little bit of flab, and it just really bothers me. It literally keeps me up at night.
Now that 10 pounds went to a lot of pain, and you gotta do that in every call, right? So you have pain that you can increase on the call. That's one lever that you can push right now to get the prospect to wanna go towards your solution, right? But the other lever that you can pull on a call is gonna be the vision. And a lot of people don't think about this. A lot of closers forget about the vision part because look, as soon as we increase the pain on the call and we increase the vision, what we're doing is we're making that gap. That gap gets way bigger. And when the gap gets bigger, that means the solution that you are offering can also be bigger. They'll pay more because they see the gap as further away from where they're at to where they want to go. Hey, I want to take a quick break and introduce you to the Closers Network. If you're not inside the Closers Network yet, you should join us. It's completely free. And 5 days a week, we're gonna go live with hands-on sales coaching. So you can join our coaches live, get feedback to your most pressing questions, increase your monthly commissions, and also land better remote closing opportunities. We have everything you need inside the Closers Network to skyrocket your income. And it's completely free. If you haven't already, I would encourage you to join the 4,500 plus students that are inside right now, smashing deals. Come mastermind with us. And all you gotta do is just click the link down below. It's in the description for you, and we can't wait to see you inside. But lever number two is vision, and you can pull this lever in a given situation. Let me explain what I mean. Let's go back to my first example where the prospect says, hey man, I just wanna lose 10 pounds. It doesn't matter what you're selling. It could be a B2B offer. Hey man, I just wanna increase my business by $5,000 a month. Hey man, I just wanna make a side income of like $1,000 a month, right? That's the goal. That's the North Star that the prospect has right now. That is their vision. But what you can do on the call by asking better questions is you can increase their vision. You can give the prospect a new vision on the call. So let me give you an example. The lady says, hey, I just want to lose 10 pounds. Maybe she doesn't want to just lose 10 pounds. Let's increase her vision a little bit. That 10 pounds is really kind of aggravating you right now, and I completely understand that. Now, Mary, on top of that 10 pounds, what else would you like to change as part of your body?
Oh, well, honestly, I got a little love handles. I really want to get rid of that. And you know what? My legs are a little bit flabby right now. And I used to have just really nice chiseled legs. I really want to get my legs defined.
And then I'd be like, okay, awesome. Now she's starting to build the vision on the call with me. Now it's not just lose 10 pounds. It's like, I want to get rid of this flab. I want to get my legs dialed in. And then I can say, hey, you know what, Mary? Let's just assume that you get your legs dialed in. That would make you feel, how would that make you feel? Oh, it'd make me feel awesome. Let's assume we can get rid of the love handles. But you know what, Mary? Let's just throw sanity, off to the side real quick. Let's just say, dude, if you could just snap your fingers, Mary, and your body was just absolutely perfect. Everything you wanted was great. Tell me about that body. Ideally, what would that look like for you? And now I can take that vision of just losing 10 pounds to an ideal vision. What does that ideal version of you look like? And you can do this in every call. Hey, don't tell me about the $5,000 you want to make more as a business owner. Dude, if you could just snap your fingers right now and you had the perfect business, you had the business that that you've always wanted to have, right? What does that business look like? How much money is that business making? Because what I can tell you from taking thousands of sales calls is the prospect's vision is gonna be limited by their beliefs. They have a certain belief and their vision right now is gonna be limited by that belief. So as soon as you can get the prospect to think bigger, you're gonna shatter some of their limiting beliefs on the call. And here's what I know. As soon as you can take the prospect vision from where they think their vision is at to a greater vision, now look what you've done. You've broken a belief, said, wow, maybe I can create an ideal future, an ideal life that I want, right? Which means their vision just increased, which means the gap in the call from where they are to where they wanna be has just gotten that much bigger. And now when you go to offer Jenny and Bob and Mary a solution, your solution can cost that much more. That solution can solve a bigger problem and can solve a more ideal vision that they have for that future, which means when they get on the call with you, they're gonna be like, dude, this guy's different, right? When I talk to every other closer, they never built my vision like this. They never dug into my pain like this. I never knew that I could do this in life, right? And now you're different and your solution can offer a bigger impact to the prospect. All right, guys, so just remember the two levers that you can pull in a given call is gonna be the pain, you increase the pain. Lever number two is you increase the vision. If the pain's maxed out, increase the vision, and that will draw the prospect towards your solution. It'll differentiate you as a salesperson and you'll slam way more deals. All right, guys, with that being said, hey, I hope this video really helped. Guys, we're trying to build an army of people that are remote closers because look, the e-learning space right now is $400 billion. The online creators right now is $250 million. If you learn this game on how to use your mouth, on how to use your voice to influence and persuade more people, you're gonna make way more money in 2024 and beyond. Okay, learn this stuff, guys. Join the Closers Network. It's completely free. The link's down below. We got over 4,000 students who are all slamming deals using our methods. All right, with that being said, Rich, out.